Good afternoon, Savorn and Ramdul Ken and Lucy Johnson. We're at your water well here in Cambodia. Lucy, you have another full well, and then this well, this half well. Ramdul, I took some of your donation from last time and this time and combined it to give you a half a well. So between the two of you, or the three of you, Savorn and Ramdul and Lucy, you have sponsored this well and blessed this family, given to the families and children of Cambodia with love and compassion. Savorn and Ramdul Ken and Lucy Johnson, Dallas and Rowlett, Texas, USA. And this is Mom and her daughter. And what other family members are there?
All gone, all
Oh,
gone.
they're all gone
To the
right
right field,
now?
yeah.
How many children? does
មាន
she
មាន
have?
ចៅមានកូនប៉ុន្មានបង
ចៅ
អូចៅហើយមានកូនប៉ុន្មាន
កូនបែកមិនសាហើយ5នាក់
Oh she have 5 kids but all different house
បាត់អស់ហើយនៅ
Okay.
Stay different house.
So they're all gone right now.
Yeah
Okay. And
អូន
was your husband working?
ចូលលោកតានៅណាលោកតា
លោកតាទៅស្រែ
បាទ
ក៏កូន
ទៅស្រែ Oh her husband went to the right field
ទៅ
Oh,
ស្រែ
works in the rice field?
Yes
Okay, so yeah, this is such a great blessing to help them out. How old was she?
លោកយាយអាយុប៉ុន្មាន
លោកយាយអាយុ58
58
58.
Yeah
And how old is the little girl?
ហើយជើក្មួយអាយុប៉ុន្មានក្មួយ
មួយអាយុ5ឆ្នាំកន្លះ
5 year and a half
5. So this granddaughter?
Yes granddaughter yeah
Okay,
granddaughter
That makes more sense. Okay. Well, I have a little something for
ណ៎
the
គាត់មានអី
granddaughter.
ឲ្យក្មួយមួយ
អេអេអេនេះសួរសួរអកូន
So nice មីអរគុណ
So anyway, just
yeah.
thank you so much
មួយ
for.
ដេកលក់
បាទ
Yeah, go ahead and ask her how the water has helped her
គាត់សួរ
family.
ថាទឹកដងនឹងជួយអីខ្លះបានទឹកចឹងសប្បាយចិត្តអត់
សប្បាយចិត្ត
បាទ
បានជួយសោចដំណាំ
Oh, she said the water can use for vegetable, for the animal feed.
Yeah.
ចិញ្ចឹមសត្វទីចិញ្ចឹម
Ah,
ជ្រូក
she have duck, pig.
Pigs?
Yes.
What about frog?
កែបអត់ទេ
អត់ទេគេអត់ទេ
No, no
I see a
frog.
bag of frog feed.
គាត់ថាគាត់
right
ឃើញ
there. Says
នេះស្អី
frog
គេនេះ
chow right on the bag. So
Chow.
says frog
ចុះនេះអីគេនេះកែនេះ
Bring the frog
អូ
chow.
ខ្យង
នោះមកនេះកូន
No, no, she's not raising frogs?
No.
Oh,
ដើមនេះ
okay.
មកថតនេះនេះដើមមក
Come here.
មក
And who- Is this mom?
Yeah. អូម្ដាយម្ដាយ Okay.
Awesome. And so how old is mom?
ហើយម៉ាំយូម៉ាន់
ចា
យូម៉ាន់
28
28
28, and the little girl's 5. That's so good.
មក
Oh,
ដូចម្ដាយដល់ណា
I think she likes her bear.
តែដៃធ្វើ
បាយចិត្តទេបានកូននឹងបាយចិត្តទេ
Just Lucy and Ramdul and Savorn, thank you so much for blessing this family. Savin Philip running the camera right now. Say hi to
Hello Ramdul I want a haircut but $1 please
បើលោកគ្រូអីឲ្យជាមួយក៏មានកូនទូចនោះភ្នាក់មកយំ
So anyway, thank you so much. This is awesome. You bless this family and grandma and mom and the little girl. Does she have other children?
មានកូនមួយទៀតហ៎ ពងកេង she said you have another bear for the daughter in the
Can she come out or no? She
sleeping
She's sleeping. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll
she
go
said
over
if when she wake up she saw her sister got it she will cry Okay អញ្ចឹងដាស់មកគាត់ឲ្យមួយទៀត
អើយខំយប់ងាប់
Okay
there.
តែបាន
Is she going to get her?
Yeah
Okay.
she go to get her
Okay. Cool. Yeah. Well. Yeah. That's fine. That's fine.
Ah nice thank you Wow so good
Hey, how are you? World's worst ventriloquist. So, anyway, thank you guys for blessing this family. It's such a great situation. It's good to see them smiling and to know that let's just
we can move to
You
in
wanna
her
move
house
in
better
there?
yeah okay
All right.
Okay let's go to see the one more kid ណាមួយណានេះគាត់ឲ្យតុក្កតា
Aww.
Hello នេះលោកតាឲ្យតុក្កតា ជំរាបសួរអរគុណ Nice
Yeah, she took that. We get the little sister.
Okay អរគុណចុះអីទេ
That's awesome.
Okay thank you
Thank you so much.
Yeah thank you អូគេបានដែរ
Okay, now we need closer right here.